Welcome everybody to module number 8. I hope that you are well and you've enjoyed doing some planning and design work to support project-based learning in your classroom. If you're at this module, you hopefully have with you a hexagonal map of your curriculum that you've been working on, and also you would have completed the last activity, which is a project poster of your planning. This is an opportunity in this module to share your learning with others and also to gain some feedback about what you have designed. Let's have a look at some of the learning intentions for this module. By the end of this module, number 8, you will listen respectfully to others as they share their project ideas. This is an opportunity for you to connect with some others. Hopefully, you will be able to organize the chance to listen to others and take on what they have created and designed and offer them some feedback. You're also going to reflect on what's shared and connect it to your own experience and maybe develop some new ideas as a result. Another important tool that you're going to add to your toolkit is the 6 thinking hats framework. And it's a great technique, tool, and framework that we can use to support feedback and the way that we think about feedback, giving and receiving feedback with others. The thinking hats framework is something that you can use with your students, and you're going to use it within the next lesson, just to think about how do you get feedback from others about and critique about your own projects so far. Those are some of the ideas to do with this module. These are our intentions. Let's jump into the first session as we explore the 6 thinking hats routine. In this section, I'm just going to explain what the critique hats are. It's based upon Edward de Bono's 6 thinking hats. And he talks about 6 different perspectives, if you like. And it's almost like we put on a hat to think in a particular way. And he had different colors for them, and we're using them to think about feedback. He talked about a yellow hat is all about brightness and optimism. And a black hat is to do with risks and difficulties, problems that we see. We often say a black hat thinking is looking at the trouble that we see with an idea. Red hat is feelings and hunches and intuitions. How do we feel about something that's being shared with us? The white hat is all about information known or needed. You're looking at some of the factual things that you can see. Green hat is all about new ideas and creativity. And then a blue hat is all about control and process and exploring what was that experience like. If we turn those titles or those subject headings into questions, then we might see how we could use them with our students and obviously with our colleagues as we share some of our learning too. What do you really like? Yellow hat, remember that's from brightness and optimism. What are the potential weaknesses that they can see? Black hat, how does it make you feel? Red hat thinking, what's our emotional response to the idea that was being shared? What facts do you know? White hat thinking. What creative suggestions do you have? When we put the green hat on, we're responding with new ideas. And then what needs to happen next? A bit of a blue hat thinking about the process. You're going to use this framework, this structure, to invite feedback about your project planning, your poster, and also your hexagonal map when you share it with colleagues. This is an opportunity for you to share your ideas with others, and you're going to use the thinking hats routine to get some feedback and organize some feedback. Don't forget that you could use this framework with your students for any opportunity to get feedback, whether that's about their writing or about their ideas, a student project, a little sketch note that they've done. Whatever the creative expression or idea or thing that the students have built and made, you can use the 6 thinking hats as a way to offer critique and offer feedback. And it's a lovely, simple way to encourage others to organize their comments around these different sections. In the next session, we're just going to explore some of the specific instructions about how you're going to exhibit and share some of your learning. I hope you enjoyed looking at the 6 thinking hats. Make sure you add it to your toolkit.